Hi friends, good morning to everybody. Today concept is Infosys 2008 model paper explanation. Before explanation, please subscribe my channel. Alright. Right, one of the important concept. A train goes from station A to B. One day there is a technical problem at the very beginning of the journey, and hence the train travels at 3 by 5th of its original speed, and so it arrives 2 hours late. Had the problem occurred after 50 miles had been covered, the train would have arrived 40 minutes early. Right? What is the distance between two stations? Right. Suppose the two stations between you don't know. This is the station A, this is the station B, is the assumption. Right? The first of all, the beginning of the sum of the problem will be there 3 by 5th of the speed moving. Alright? In that way, what is the time? 2 hours is the time, is the late. Right? What is the total distance? You don't know. Right? Sum is the distance D. Right? After the complete the technical problem, right, occurs. Next, after 50 miles, the actual speed will be going on. That's why, what is this one? 40 minutes. Actual speed is the going. 40 minutes is the early. But our requirement is, what is the distance between from A to B? Right, just observe this one. This is the 50 miles equal distance equal what is the time? Is the 40 minutes is the moving. But 1 mile equal to 40 by 50 minutes. That means 0 that equal 4 by 5th of the time minutes. But is the time equal to 4 by 5 minutes, but speed equal to always inverse ratio of the time, that equal to 5 by 4 miles. Right? Do you know what is the formula? Distance equal to speed into time, speed equal to distance by time, time equal to distance by speed. Right? This is using this one. Actually, what is the late? 2 hours will be late. But is the speed equal to 5 by 4 into time? 2 hours means 120 minutes, 4 ones are 30, that equal 150 miles is the total distance. Right? This is the one method. Coming to the alternative method, just observe this one. The first total distance is you don't know. That is the pick up the options will be 150, 200, 250 and none of these. The total distance is taken 150. First of all, moving the speed 3 by 5th of the speed. Next one, after 50 miles, that is the this distance is the 100 will be taken. The next speed is the S. Distance by speed, distance speed. What in this one? 4 minutes early, 40 minutes early, 2 hours late. 2 hours means 120 minutes minus 40 minutes, that equal 80 minutes is the difference. This one means 80 minutes means convert into the hours, that equal 4 by 3 hours. Right? You find the value of the S, substitute this one, you get the same value. Right? That is the alternative method. Choose pick up the options. Right? Next one, coming to the second question. A cardboard of size 34 into 14 has to be attached to a wooden box, and a total of 35 pins are to be used on the each side of the card box. Find the total number of the pins used. This is the card box. This is the generally size is the 34 into 14 is the size. But each side is the arranged. How many pins are there? 35 pins. Each side is the 35 pins. This side is also 35 pins. This side is also 35 pins. This side is also 35 pins. Generally 35 into 4, right? But the vertical pins are repeated. How many vertices are there? Minus 4. That's why that equal 35 into 4, 140 minus 4, 136 pins are there. How many pins will be there? 136. Next one, coming to the next question. the number of zeros at the end of all prime numbers, right, between 1 and 1111, right? Just observe this one. The product of this one, how many zeros will be there? End of the zeros mean the product of this one, how many? Prime numbers, do you know? A number is divisible by 1 and itself only. What are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. These are the prime numbers. But in this one, the product of suppose 2 into 5, you get the 0. 0 into something, any prime number. The 10 into product of any prime number, you get the end of the value will be 0. The end of the zeros will only 1 zeros will be there, right? The end of the product of the all prime numbers from 1 to 1111, only 1 zeros, the end of the digit, right? Next one, coming to the next question. Find the letters comes in the place of B, dash, D, D, E, F, G, D. Right, just observe this one. B, next D of E, F. Just observe this one. Next one, in this one of the series will be there. First one B, C. Next one D of D. Next one F, G. Next one D of something H. Like this, follow this one. Right, in this one D of something, D of something, D of something, like this, right? This is the one of the order will be followed. Your answer is C, right? Next question. Find the next letter in the series A, B, D, H, dash. First A letter indicates 1, B, 2, D, 4, H, 8. Just observe this one, the double into 2, into 2, into 2, like this, into 2. The 16th letter is the, what is the 16th letter? Is the P, right? The double of the series. This is the series, right? Thank you for everybody. Please subscribe my channel. The next concept will be explained later onwards.